Hello, I'm Cheryl. Welcome to Alcohol Ink Techniques for Card Making. Alcohol inks are one of my favorite mediums to work with. I love how the inks just kind of move and flow, and you can kind of predict some of what's going to happen, but they just kind of do their own thing. And it makes it fun to see what happens and to create cards with them. In this class, we're going to be creating 7 different cards. Let's go take a look. So these are the cards that we're going to be creating in this class. Obviously we have a little bit of a butterfly theme here, and the color palette is the same throughout. I'm using Ranger alcohol inks, but you can use another brand. I have not used other brands other than some of the Jacquard Pinata inks, but they should work fairly similar. Now you can change any of these colors up to suit your taste, and you can also change the stamps and dies up to suit your taste, so you can really customize it to what you like to do. All of these cards will be pictured on the supply list that comes in this class, and then the supplies for each one will also be listed. Those supplies will be linked to where you can purchase them if you choose. But it's also a great reference to see exactly what is used for each card, and that way you don't have to worry about remembering it while you are watching. Now let's go get started.